For years, my garden soil felt tired, uncooperative, and downright frustrating. Compaction, uneven moisture, stubborn weeds, and poor fertility made every growing season a battle. I tried compost, mulch, and various amendments, yet nothing seemed to fix the underlying problems completely. Then I stumbled upon a method so simple it almost seemed too good to be true: cardboard. This unassuming material, often discarded without a thought, has transformed my soil in ways I never imagined. What's remarkable is how fast the changes occur, almost overnight in some cases. Today we'll explore the cardboard revolution, why it works, and practical steps you can take to transform your soil into a thriving, resilient foundation for plants. Cardboard works because it suppresses weeds while improving soil immediately. The first noticeable change when I began using cardboard was how quickly it reduced weeds. Unlike traditional compost or mulch, which require decomposition or preparation, cardboard provides an instant barrier. By blocking sunlight, it prevents weed seeds from germinating while still allowing water and air to penetrate the soil. Unlike plastic sheeting, cardboard is breathable, ensuring roots and soil life can access moisture and oxygen. Laying dampened sheets over a garden bed immediately softens compacted soil, retains moisture, and creates a hospitable environment for plants. For gardeners, this means less weeding, less water stress, and soil that begins recovering almost instantly. Cardboard feeds the soil by encouraging microbial activity. Beneath the surface, cardboard is doing something extraordinary. Microbes, bacteria, fungi, and other beneficial organisms colonize the cellulose in the cardboard as it begins to decompose. This process releases nutrients directly into the soil, improving fertility and soil structure in situ. Unlike compost, which needs to decompose before feeding plants, cardboard works where it's needed most. In my experience, within a day or two, the soil under the cardboard began to darken, retain water more efficiently, and soften noticeably. To replicate this, gardeners can select plain, corrugated cardboard, remove any glossy coatings or tape, flatten it, and lay it directly over their beds, overlapping edges, to ensure complete coverage. Cardboard dramatically improves water retention and protects soil from erosion. Another immediate benefit I observed was its effect on moisture. Cardboard acts like a sponge, absorbing water from rainfall or irrigation and releasing it slowly into the soil below. This consistent hydration encourages strong root development, reduces stress on plants, and prevents runoff that can wash away valuable topsoil. Unlike compost, which can settle unevenly or wash away in heavy rains, cardboard stabilizes the soil surface, retaining moisture while gradually decomposing. For gardeners in dry climates or those with raised beds, cardboard provides an easy, low-cost way to maintain healthy soil moisture levels. Now, combining cardboard with mulch or organic matter, well, it really multiplies the benefits. You see, while cardboard alone is powerful, combining it with mulch, straw, or even a thin layer of compost, it actually accelerates the results. Cardboard suppresses weeds and retains moisture, while mulch adds insulation, helps with temperature regulation, and provides additional organic matter. Historically, layered organic matter has been used by farmers to rehabilitate poor soil efficiently, and honestly, the same principle works just as well today. In practice, you simply lay down dampened cardboard, cover it with a thin layer of mulch, straw or leaves, and then water it thoroughly. Within just a few days, the soil softens, moisture is retained, and weeds really struggle to grow. Over the weeks that follow, decomposition continues, enriching the soil and creating an environment where your plants can thrive effortlessly. Cardboard is, well, remarkably versatile for gardens of all sizes. One of the most surprising aspects of this method, honestly, is its adaptability. Cardboard can be used in traditional soil beds, raised beds, container gardens, and even urban plots. In raised beds, it lines the bottom or edges, suppressing weeds and improving moisture retention. In containers, it stabilizes soil, moderates water distribution, and gradually adds organic matter. Even urban gardeners with limited space can transform their soil using cardboard. The method is also suitable for semi-soilless setups, acting as a temporary mulch to maintain moisture and prevent surface algae while enriching the soil beneath. Practical steps make the cardboard revolution easy to implement. Start by sourcing plain, corrugated cardboard, avoiding glossy or heavily printed boxes. Flatten the sheets and lightly moisten them to help them conform to the soil surface. Lay the sheets over your garden bed, overlapping edges to ensure full coverage, and optionally add a thin layer of mulch or compost on top. Water thoroughly. Within hours, weeds are suppressed, soil begins retaining moisture more efficiently, and the surface softens. Over the coming weeks, microbes decompose the cardboard, enriching the soil and leaving behind a fertile, resilient foundation ready for planting. This approach solves years of soil problems without constant turning, expensive amendments, or heavy labour. The cardboard revolution proves, really, that simple solutions can outperform conventional methods. While compost has long been a staple for improving soil, cardboard shows that sometimes the most overlooked materials offer the fastest, most impactful results. It suppresses weeds, retains moisture, accelerates microbial activity, and improves soil structure simultaneously. It's cost-effective, sustainable, and accessible. Almost every household has boxes that can be repurposed. Using cardboard is more than a gardening hack. It's a way to work with natural processes efficiently and sustainably. If you found this guide valuable and want more historically grounded, actionable gardening strategies, subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this video with someone who appreciates practical, effective solutions. The cardboard revolution isn't just clever, it's transformative, giving your soil the health and resilience it deserves while making gardening simpler and more rewarding.